Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can crossbreed the Brickbloom flowers in Heartopia. So you'll need to purchase these from Block, and I'm just going to plant 9 per color for now. And I'm just going to water them all as well. And when they bloom, I will put the rainbow crossbreeding pattern. I may not do that actually. I'll wait for it to be harder to crossbreed because as the stars go up, it's a little bit harder to get the seeds. So I'm just going to wait until they give me seeds. It doesn't matter if you have all the same colors. Just make sure they're the same level, and then you're going to start incorporating the next level and so on and so forth. And I'll be back when they have grown seeds, I guess, like when they've given me the crossbreeding seed. So I did forget to record yesterday when I got the crossbreeded seeds from the Brickbloom flowers. But essentially you get a mix of the red and white, which will turn into pink, of course, and then the red and yellow turned into orange. So I took the seeds and I then planted them, and this is what the next one looks like. This is, I think, 2 stars for the orange and the pink one. And now I have the peach one, so I'm going to plant it. And this is the day after that. I planted some peach Brickbloom seed, and I have finally got the black Brickbloom seed, and I'm just going to plant that as well for the collection. And now I've unlocked the blue Brickbloom seed, so we're just going to plant that, and we're just going to add some more rainbow breeding powder. I actually need to go to collection first and see how many stars that is. So I think it's 4. So I'm going to place that one in the middle, and then I will also add the rainbow breeding powder. And finally, today we have the SELENE. Actually, I think I claimed it yesterday. The SELENE Brickbloom seed. I do have it in my inventory. So it is this one, and I'm just going to plant it. I haven't gotten the purple one, so I think I'm gonna have to crossbreed some more of the peach ones, I guess. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can crossbreed your Brickbloom flowers. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.